visual novel. It's kind of like it. Yeah, basically one. So music, which is obviously pretty easy, and text bar here. Hello, I am Epic. I will be on this journey. Start your training. Maybe in the field when you're ready. Um, Start providing a couple of wars. I'll show you how to make that flash effect. Going to sponges now. Moving. All that. This effect. See, that's how you do it. And now you can do control. It's pretty quick, but that's what you'll be learning in this tutorial. So, let's get to it. Started. If you don't know what this is, um, a visual novel is basically just text and reading and then characters and background. It's mainly used for some games of it, but the main thing I see it is mostly for like anime games. It'll mostly be the cutscenes for more mobile. But that's the main use for it, but it's still useful if you don't want to make a full animated cutscene. Okay, so let's get to it. We want to start making the actual characters. This is start off. It's right there. Um, this is useful for me, so I can just make this character. So I can make a character. So basically, it just gives you a face. This is how you can make a lot quicker of a character than if you were to find something else. Uh, like here. So we're going to want multiple expressions. So I'll start with just randomize because I don't need them all. I can start with that. We're going to want multiple expressions too, so we can change the look of them. So just like random nose. That's good. Mouth. This can just be what they normally look like. Like that. And then just so this gives you some close, but so it's not just like a floating head. I can just do something. There's no kids. I'm trying to make a kid. Yeah, it's surprise. Yeah, I can always put this on the well, I can't really change the color. But yeah, so here I can go here. I'll just put on. I could just do that. And then we go to that. That saves it. Place down this image. Oh yeah. We go here. Wait a second. No, I think it has that set. The better thing to do is actually just screenshot it. This. Because then you don't catch that thing. And then the background, I'll show you how to do it later. Then we can just go back. Back here. And then we just change the face to get the different looks. The eyes. We can get a more angry look. Yeah, yeah, like that. I don't know, we might use this, we might not. Oh, where's the old one? Where's the ones I had before? I think it was this. Yeah. Oh yeah, that's good. That. And then all we need now is just get more of the mouth. Just try to get. I won't really give you too many options. Yeah, so just yeah, this is like the best I could do, but yeah. Okay, like that. Oh yeah. So we only need one character for this. So okay, yeah. This is all we need now. So now we kind of need to remove that backdrop. If you use something like this, you don't really want to have here. So what this does is it takes a little bit, but it will remove that blue stuff in the background. So then instead of looking like that, it looks like this. I download this instead. Do it again to the other two. That's the one I just did. Here, wait a little bit. It's downloaded. And then I do one more. This one. Then download that. And then we have all the backgrounds removed. So now we can get on with the actual thing. Let's do visual novel tutorial. And of course, like always, get rid of this guy. There's no point in him. Then what we can do is we can upload this right here. And then, so we'll rename it. Let's name it, why not Epic? Why not? Normal. And then we add new costumes, which are the other two. Then of course you can add other faces, but these for now. Angry. Bored. There. We might not end up using them all, but who cares? We don't really need. Oh, these aren't even centered. Oh yeah. With that, I think we can make it. Yeah, that's a good size. Yeah, because then what we need is, yeah, now we need another thing called text box. Like this, you can make it look like what you want. Let's do this. I do want an outline. The outline can just be black. Get a bit bigger. There we go. here's this. I wanted it to go like right there. See? Probably actually make it big. Like that, make it look like that. That's good. And then let's do yellow. Right up here is supposed to say who's speaking. And then, oops, fix that. And then yeah, so then you write your text in like Epic, but of course you want it to be black. Whatever color, just black helps it see better. And then here you write hello, basically. So then here's this. Then you can always duplicate that. And then let's give it some background. Let's just, we don't need any special background. We can just use both. That castle one works just fine. So yeah, we can use that castle. Hello, I am Epic. Just say I am a knight who will help you on your journey. I'll just say this. This is not really much, but it works. And then yeah, there's these three. I'm a big journey. So what we do is of course here, go show and go to and go to here. And then create a new thing. When spray is clicked. We can, yeah. So when spray is clicked, we'll just make a new block. Check scene. And what this check scene block will do is if costume equals yeah, costume number equals 1, then switch costume to above here. If we were to do it, she would have it do it below. So yeah, here first also say when you want to start at here, hello, right, yeah, see, it doesn't work. But if you were to switch this, then this is what it does. It plays this and then that, so it checks them both at the same time. You need to put the higher numbers above, or else it's just gonna skip to the very end. And then, yeah. This is actually pretty good. And then, you could do let's start your training. And then we could say, like, let's say you went outside, you had to go out of the castle, so 5 would be, or, wait, you need to be in the field. Of course, you can also make the character straight from here, just to make it look like your actual game if you're going to do that. I'm just doing this to make it quicker. And then in the field when you are ready, and then when you get in the field, so let's start with battling a couple wild boars. There we go. And then of course, this, duplicate that, 3, 4, this, 4, 5, 5, 6. But I'm sure you already know that doesn't really. Here, I'm just gonna. Let's see. Which backdrop? Oh yeah, right. Castle 3. Yeah. And then here, about to do this. Go here. Show. Switch backdrop. Switch costume to normal. Yeah. And then here, of course, we're going to need to switch it. So we need to add another backdrop. I can easily just find one here. Pretty sure. Yeah. Right. I'll just do. Here, actually, fantasy would work. Yeah. So then here, but then you, of course, you have to switch backdrop here to Castle 3. Or, no, Castle 2. Then like this is how it works now. So hello. Start trading. Start by battling a couple boars. So we can start. This is unneeded, but right now I'll just show you how to do a flash. You can make like a screen flash. I'm sure if people have seen this, they've seen like screen flashes. Hide. But then when I receive screen flash, though, that's when you there's always one costume. Go to here. But when I receive screen flash, where is it? Oh yeah. Set ghost effect to 0, and then change ghost effect 25. I think I might actually have to wait a second. This is how it should work. So like this. Alright, I forgot. Never mind. I do have to wait. Okay. Then it goes like this. Yeah, like that. Or you could go even faster. Like maybe. Oh, okay, never mind. 0.05. Yeah, that's good. That like plays a flash. Or you could even do 0.08, 0.08, 0.08. That. Or I'll just do 0.1. Yeah, 0.1 will be best for me. So like that. And then, so then screen flash. Um, then we can just go here, add a new text. Looks like one just spawned in now. Yeah. So then we can go here. Of course, and then get rid of this. 6. And then broadcast screen flash. That. And then, here. And then I'll be right back because I need to go get an image. You can have that. We can move him over here. Of course, forever go back. Right. We also need to do another thing for both these characters just in case they go to the name area. Forever go to back. Where is it? Go to back layer. And go here too. Originally wanted to start right here. So here we'll say go to for and then also just go here and get rid of this thing. It's where it is right now, 99, 27. Him. We want him to go over here, yes. So what we do here is let's do to him talking. We can have the board talk, or well, it won't talk, but it will roar. This. And then we can even add a sound here. Let's see. Choose sound. Animals. Wait, no. Where is it? Growl. Oh, that one's not it. There used to be a roar here. Somewhere. Somewhere. Here. Yeah. Maybe not anymore, so I'll be back again with a roar sound effect. Just found roar. Man, Normally there's better ones, but this will do. So then we'll go here. 7, and we'll switch to 8. But we don't want this. Oh, wait, no, why did I get rid of that? Whoops. We want a new message called for approaches. Or sometimes you have to move characters out of there, but there's only 2 characters here, so um, we don't need to move anything. So now we see for approaches, we can show here for approaches plus we also want to play sound. Where is it? Here we go. Play sound roar. It starts. You know, I could get rid of this part actually. Right here. And this part right here. And just like this. And all this. And it's like this. There we go. Or I could just. Well, I did a bit too much. Oh well. Yeah, that looks good. Yeah, that's good. Okay, so then the sound roar is still done. So then we can go here. Oh wait, I forgot to hide this guy. Oh, that's what. Hide. There we go. Okay. So we go here. Hello, I'm a big. Oh wait, forgot to add one more thing anyway, but the flash didn't go off. Screen flash and then 7 should go off. Yeah, that's okay. That's what. Okay. Because that's what show. There we go. Missed something. Okay. But anyway, we also want to play some music. Let's just add. Let's go here. So let me record that for how do I do that? I'm gonna choose sound. Loops. All I need is a simple comma. I could just use this one. I don't want that. I don't want that backdrop. Yeah, I don't really care the music. I just want some background music, so I can just do, just in case we want to like change it. Pete until um I can just that. You know what? Actually, um, I don't think we're gonna actually put anything in. You can always change the music later. That actually, yeah, actually, it's pretty easy to use. So yeah, here and then chilling. So done. So then here. Forgot to do. This is really loud. This one's really loud. Okay. Um, I'm gonna turn this down a bit. Yeah, that's good. And then what we forgot to do though was we need him. So when I receive or appears, we want him to slide out like this. So we want him to glide. Or, yeah, where is it? Movement. Um, glide to. We want the same exact Y. Then the X could be like right here. X could be 7. And then we need like a very quick motion. Uh, what about 0.1? Yeah, that's good. Here. Sorry, turning. Okay, here. Yeah. What we could do, yeah. So then there's that, and then we could do another thing where we have this here. Ah, oops, I meant this. Blank. And then we can hide, and then, so then here, so I meant this. This is horrible looking, but it'll 1 slash, and then I'll just change it to 2 slash. Why doesn't it just do that? Yeah, why doesn't it just change? So, yeah, that's good. So then what we can do is wait 1 second for each of these. Um, so what we do is slash first hide, and then when I receive slash times 3, then Then I want to switch backdrop to switch costume to blank show. Yeah, show first. Show broadcast screen flash. Also one. Is there like a slashing sound? No, again, I keep. Cause that's what I usually do. Effects. Is there like? There's no slashing. Wait, glass breaking. Oh. Okay, yeah. Yeah. Doesn't look like there is one. Yeah, I don't know why I even looked. Okay, so I'll be back after I download another one. This. Or wait, what happens without the screen flashes? No, it looks better with the screen flashes. Like this. Oh, that one's gone, but yeah. Ah. Oh, wait, no, that's just good there. What does that look like? Alright, that's better. Yeah. Sorry. But yeah. That, and then we do a hide at the very end. Here. There you go. Here. Oh, wait, right. Never mind. So then first, we want to also go here, board approaches. Then, during the next thing, nope, no ad comment. We want to make it so that here, yeah, oops, isn't there? Oh yeah, we do that, and then I also want to create another. See, that's how you do. And then I go here. Oh wait a second. I want to go right here. Wait, like how much? Or oh no, it just goes like this. How long would that even take? I'll just say like 1 second. 2 seconds. Oh sweet, like 3. Let's see how long it takes. I think it's only like 3 seconds. And we can go here, rid of this, say broadcast slash times 3. think, yeah, 8. Oh, wait, what is this on here? What is this one? 8, switch it to 9, broadcast that, then yes, here, yeah. Oh, yeah. Here, what if I wait 3 seconds? Alright. Actually, I could just do. Yeah. There we go. And then also broadcast. You also want to broadcast a new thing right here. A message. Then we can do like so. When I receive or dead, you need to do 2 things. We want it to slowly glide down. This will be like a cool, more of like a depth effect for it. So like, I want the same exact y coordinates. I could do like right there, right there. So glide down to there. Yeah, same exact x coordinates. I'm gonna put that. Negative 206, then there. I want to show. So then, yeah, that's good. Alright. Then that's it for now. Epic, yeah. So training. Right, yeah. We want that to happen, but we also need something else. We want to glide to her, because whatever his x is, so acquisition is 0.1, and or no, not x position, y position, and then wait, where is he? Or you can go back. Okay. 72, and then here. The 72s. Oh, wait, I have around the other. So 72, I'll do 148, because then it will look like this. Yeah. Basically. Oh, you know what? Actually, change x by 20. Negative 20. Here, that'll work. Okay. So let's try this again. Oh, that'll work. We don't even need this. We could just go 0. Maybe we can go a bit faster too. One. That's better. and then wait 1 second. So RC port dead. Wait 1 second, and then glide back to the middle, like right there where he was before. Oh no, I didn't mean that. I meant glide like this. He doesn't glide. That's how you do it. There we go. See, and then that worked. And then 9. All right, wrong thing. 10. I don't need this. So here, here, and I'll just yeah. So hello, I am Epic. I'm a knight who will help you on this journey. Start your training. You need to feel when you're ready. Basically, head there. Start by battling a couple of wild boars. Uh, one just now. See, that's how you do it. Now you can give it a try. And that's basically where it ends. So, yeah, that's how you do it. Then after this, you can make um, visual novel cutscenes for basically like games, easy cutscenes to make, and then you can do stuff like yeah, actual visual novel games and those. Um, and yeah, okay, so that's about it. So yeah, here's all this, and see you all next time. Bye.